The first stream, leveraging IT for productivity. Leveraging IT for productivity. I request Mr. Paranjape to please give away all the IMTMA Siemens Productivity Championship Awards 2007. Mr. Paranjape. There is only one prize in this category. There is no third prize. There is no first prize. There is only second prize in this category. And this prize goes to BHEL Hyderabad. The next stream, productivity through matrix. Productivity through matrix. The third prize goes to Mahindra & Mahindra Mumbai. Second prize goes to Maruti Udyog Limited, Gurgaon. And the first prize in the stream productivity through matrix goes to TVS Motors Hosur. Now coming to the stream, optimizing metalworking processes. Optimizing metalworking processes. The third prize goes to Wheels India Limited, Chennai. The second prize goes to Maruti Udyog Limited, Gurgaon. The first prize in the stream, optimizing metalworking processes, goes to, again, Lucas TVS Chennai. We now come to the fourth stream, productivity through quality. Productivity through quality. We have 2 appreciation certificates in this category. The first appreciation certificate goes to Precall Coimbatore. Second appreciation certificate goes to TVS Motors Company, Hosur. There is no third prize in this category. The second prize goes to Maruti Udyog Limited, Gurgaon. Ladies and gentlemen, the first prize in the stream productivity through quality goes to Bajaj Auto Limited, Valu. We now come to the fifth stream. You are okay. Right. The fifth stream, reducing idle time. Reducing idle time. There is one appreciation certificate which goes to JCB India, Faridabad. There is no third prize in this category, reducing idle time. The second prize goes to Sona Koyo Steering Systems, Gurgaon. Ladies and gentlemen, the first prize in the fifth stream, reducing idle time, goes to Kirloskar Toyota Textile Machinery, Bangalore. We now come to the sixth stream, better asset utilization. Better asset utilization. The third prize goes to Amar Raja Batteries, Tirupati. Somebody here from Amar Raja Batteries? The second prize in the category Better Asset Utilization goes to Mahindra and Mahindra, Mumbai. Ladies and gentlemen, the first prize in the sixth stream, Better Asset Utilization, goes to Sundaram Clayton, Chennai. Once again. We now come to the last and final stream, manufacturing system redesign. Manufacturing system redesign. In addition to the three prizes, the first, second, and third, the jury has awarded a very special prize in this category for excellent work done by a smaller supplier company. And this special jury prize goes to Yukan India, Bangalore. third prize for manufacturing system redesign goes to Myco Bangalore. The second prize in manufacturing system redesign goes to Mahindra & Mahindra, Mumbai. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the finale, the moment that we have all been waiting for. The heartbeats are stronger, the pulse is faster, the suspense is killing. The first prize in manufacturing system redesign. Ladies and gentlemen, let IMTMA and Siemens celebrate your success. The first prize goes to Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, Koraput, Kanpur, sorry. Thank you, Mr. Paranjape. You can finally now sit down. Thank you. We really appreciate your effort in giving away these awards. Before I end, I want to make two special words of thanks. I am the front end of IMTMA's voice. There is a huge back end. We are in the city of Bangalore, BPO, so we have a huge back end. My back end today is Master of Ceremonies has been Mr. Mohan Ram. Where is Mr. Mohan Ram? Give him a big hand. Extremely complicated task, handled in a very, very professional and smooth manner. Thank you, Mohan, for everything. And I would like to thank for adding all the razzmatazz and drama, and particularly in helping IMTMA and Siemens celebrate your success. My choreography team here, sound, music, film, lights, crackers, everything. Give them a big hand. Very good job done. At the end of this program, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much from me to all of you. And may I now request Vice President of IMTMA, Mr. M. Lokeshwara Rao, to propose a vote of thanks.
I'll be brief that you are all in hungry. And most of my job Mr. Shailesh already has done. He thanked everybody. But still I complete the formality. Friends, I have a pleasant but a very quick task to perform, proposing a vote of thanks in 2 minutes, given that I stand before you on the steaming hot lunch that awaits all of us. It gives me great pleasure to extend our deep gratitude to all our keynote speakers as well as case study presenters for their excellent presentations over the last 2.5 days. I must also congratulate all the winners of the IMTMA Siemens Productivity Championship Awards for their tireless efforts in achieving for what they are known today in manufacturing productivity. Our sincere appreciation to each and every member of the jury, members of the organizing committee, and to all of our sponsors for their invaluable contribution in putting together this mammoth event and most successfully. May I also thank the past presidents of IMTMA as also the executive committee members of IMTMA for their invaluable commitment and tireless, especially Mr. Shirgurkar and Mr. Sheth, who are chairmen of organizing and programming committees. And finally, on behalf of IMTMA and on behalf of the organizing committee of the Productivity Summit 2007, I would like to take the opportunity to most graciously thank each and every one of the participating delegates for having traveled far and wide from various corners of the country to be with us for the last 2.5 days and who created a very liveliness in this program. I would like to make a special mention of the total participation. We have 35 delegates from one company alone, that is UK India Limited. This is truly very heartening and encourages to us nominate similar numbers from our companies for the next summit. We hope that you would have certainly benefited from the brainstorming sessions in the last 3 days while enjoying your evening with us. With these few words, we conclude the second Productivity Summit.